Guys, I'm going to school.
You're going school?
Henry.
And what is this?
And my teacher got Henry like to me.
And where are you going?
To school.
To school?
Let's go.
Okay. Oh, so you're taking this vacuum cleaner? Are you going to clean the school?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, come on then, let's go.
What? Henry's coming himself.
So GB's Henry is in there, blue one, and GB's going to sit on his booster and put the belt on, and we are ready to go to school. Yes? Or you want to sit on the other side? Are we ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Come on, let's go, guys. Yes. So guys, we're in school? Yes, let's go then.
And I want school.
Hoovering school? Okay. Bye, GV.